Okay, so now we're going to add a border around the layer. So around the beach layer, that is. And first of all, turn off the pineapple. Okay, make sure that the beach layer is selected. That's often the problem in Photoshop. If something doesn't work, it's because you're in the wrong layer. Okay, so we're going to actually, I want to have the beach layer entirely by itself. So I'm going to turn off the background layer, but doing it a little bit differently. Let me actually show you here. So I'm going to turn on all of these layers. Let's say I want to solo the beach layer. I hold down the Option key, I just click on it. So that's the Alt key for Windows, and boom, it solos that layer. It turns off everything else. Now, watch out. If you've got 40 or 50 layers, and if you start clicking on the individual ones, and then you go back to get this, okay, it doesn't do it. Watch this here. And everybody try this here. So you turn on all your layers. You want to solo the beach layer. In order to put everything back, you would hold down the Option key again and click on it, and everything comes back, and that's quite nice. And even if you had a couple of layers turned off, that's okay. You solo it, you click it again, and it has what you had before. Unless you mess up one of the other things by, well, turning the visibility on or off, then you get what you get. That's it. Okay, it doesn't memorize what you used to have. Okay, so having said that, turn off all of the visibilities except for the beach. Great. And we are going to add a stroke layer around the outside. Okay, so basically a little border. Two different ways that you can get to this. You can go layer up here, choose layer style, which is right there, and then pick stroke. You can do that, or you can do what most people do is double click on the right side, not on the word, but on the right side, and boom, there it is, and stroke. As soon as you click on the area, it turns on, and we are going to go with a size of 5 pixels. The position is going to be inside, so 5. Position is inside. The blend mode needs to be set to normal. And a lot of the times it's set to something like screen or dissolve, so you have to make sure that it works there. And the opacity is 100. The color of the layer that we're going to select is going to be white. So you click on the color and just pick white right here. All right, so we say OK and click OK. And a white border has now been added around the picture.